We are really excited to bring this one to the market. This is 25 Blizzard Circuit here in Forde. Set in a quiet, family-friendly pocket of Forde, this beautifully presented 4-bedroom home is all about lifestyle, space and smart design. You'll love the north-facing open-plan living filled with natural light and a stylish kitchen with a large island bench, perfect for entertaining or everyday living. The master bedroom gives you your very own private retreat with a walk-in robe and ensuite, while the outdoor pergola and low-maintenance yard are ready for weekend barbecues and relaxed afternoons. With parks, walking trails, Mulligan's Flat Reserve and local shops just moments away, you're not just buying a home, you're buying into one of Gungahlin's most sought-after communities. Such a beautiful opportunity, you won't want to miss this one. My name's Alex Ogbonna, proudly representing Stone Real Estate, and I can't wait to see you at our next open home.